let's go and discuss about the voucher template. See, voucher template will use when we are very frequently using the transaction. So at the time, what you can do that, we can save it as a voucher template. Once you can save, and then whenever you have a such kind of similar transaction, instead of going and selecting one by one, what you can do that, you can select that voucher template what you have created, and then you can post the transaction. Let us take, I have electricity expenditure that is very frequently I used to make the payment. So whenever I have such kind of requirement, I can create as a voucher template. Just go to your general journal, simply click on the new, select your journal name. In this space, you can select that one. Electricity expenses, template, testing. Okay, and click on lines. Once if you go to lines, from here you can find ledger account called electricity expenditure. Simply select electricity expenditure. I am posting for IT consulting, IT department, and service operation, which is really relating to in the month of let us assume that December month. Okay, and then I am paying that amount 2,500 from my petty cash. Okay, once if you select your petty cash, and then the default business unit and cost center is coming. Now we'll go and update in our currency as USD. So this is the transaction very frequently I used to post it. So what I can do that, I can save as an voucher template, and whenever I have a similar main account and the combination of financial dimension, I can go and select, and then I can quickly post it. Let us take, I want to save as a voucher template, then click on the function, and here you can find on this one you can find option called a function. In this space, you can find option called Save Voucher Template. Simply click on Save Voucher Template. When you are going to retrieve it, do you want to retrieve it based on the amount or based on the percentage? You can select based on your customer requirement. For me, I am selecting as amount. Simply click on OK. Once if you select, let us assume that I have one more electricity bill it has came. I want to create it. So what I need to do? I need to take the new line and I need to select that electricity expenditure and financial dimension amount and offset account. I should have to select manually. Instead of going to select manually, what I can do that simply I can go and retrieve that one. Simply click on this function option and then there you can find option called select voucher template. And then if you go to there, here you can find what is the voucher template you have created and saved, and simply click on OK. Once if you click on OK, then the system it will create as another new line, and here you can see this one, and then today date it has been created this one. Okay, if there is a amount variance instead of 25, if it is on 35, simply update it and then click on make it as ready. Okay, report as ready, and then you can approve it. After approving it, you can post transaction here. Okay, so everyone is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
Sir,
Venkatesh,
what is
well,
percent there?
huh?
You have mentioned in templates, no, the template type is amount or percent. What is percent there?
Percentage, if you select 2500 and if you select percentage and then click on the save, you should have to enter the percentage. If you select 80 percentage, 80 into 2500, okay, it means the 500 will be deducted and out of 2000 will be updated in your debit amount.
Oh,
Okay, if it is the amount, directly that entire amount will be get updated.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right. And then you can post the transaction.